Get a look at our SteamVac Max 220 Sizzler carpet cleaning machine.
For sale and hire.
This machine here features a pump pressure of 220 psi for your solution when you carpet clean, as well as a 35-litre solution tank and a 35-litre waste tank. Along with a marine-grade fiberglass body with a 12-year manufacturing guarantee and sturdy metal constructed handles, this machine has been built to last with high performance. Its conveniently clear dome design helps provide visual feedback of amount and nature of what you are extracting. Its two-stage vac motor, each 1200 watts, means you have powerful suction at your fingertips to easily extract loosened soil released by powerful means of its steam cleaning. The steam cleaning is aided by its inbuilt heater, which heats up to 90 degrees Celsius with continuous flow using 10 amps, a feature that separates itself from the non-Sizzler variant. Combining its steam cleaning with any of our range of carpet cleaning pre-sprays such as our Sonitron or Actichem range will help emulsify the soil for an easy extraction. Some cool features of this product are that it includes a tamper-proof positive ball shut-off valve, causing the machine to shut off when the machine has reached its maximum capacity in its waste tank. Disposing of the extracted contents is as easy as wheeling it to a toilet or shower drain and pulling on the lever to release its contents quickly. This machine also makes a powerful water extractor for those nasty water damage jobs. This unit has been designed to be lightweight, sturdy, and easy to maneuver. It has non-marking caster wheels at the front for easy turning and non-marking large rubber wheels to wheel over various terrain. At 37 kilos, it is easy for a two-person lift, and with the right technique, it is simple enough to load into a van or truck with just one person. In case you're wondering, we also stock 2 and 4 jet wands, solution hoses, as well as the G-Vac thick hoses, so you can carry out your carpet cleaning straight away. This carpet cleaning machine is perfect for residential use in area sizes typical of homes. SteamVac is known for its quality carpet machines, which causes its high demand, and when you buy SteamVac, you can be assured that you are buying quality. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call or contact us through our website. Have a look at our range, either online or in the showroom. Thanks for watching.